Hey beautiful people, happy Thursday. Today I have an unboxing, finally, yay. All right, let's get into it. Let's see. I got my hat. I'll try that on in a little bit. I'll just sit up here. What else did we get? Vitamin C Nursing Body Cream or butter. Nursing Body Butter. And Skin So Soft for acne prone skin. I think I mentioned this in one of my other videos, but I get this for myself, but also for my teenage kids, and they love this. I also got some more Skin So Soft, but this is the foaming cleanser. And I think the other one is the body wash. So, foaming cleanser, body wash. And their boxing was a little rough. Alright, I also have the damaged hair restructurant. Propelli Vera. I hope I'm saying that right. But I've been wanting to try this, so I'll have to let y'all know how that works. So we also got all of that here. Okay. I also got the conditioner, because you know if you get shampoo, you got to have conditioner with it. Yep, this is the shampoo, the other was the conditioner. So what else I got? I also got the Soothing Spot Gel creams for Skin So Soft to go with the other acne stuff for my kids. Oh yay! I have a hair mask sample. I'm going to try that. That's trash. And I've got my What's New book, which I will go through another day. And a goodbyes book, which I actually have a few of these. If any of y'all are interested, you'll just have to comment and I will try to send you one. Of course, I will need your address in order to send it. I also got our Campaign 13 brochure. So this one starts June 18th. So we have a little while. And that is it, guys. That's all. Oh, let me try on the hat. Let's try on the hat before I cut this video off. And there we are, guys. Sorry. Not a hat person. It don't look too bad, right? I've just got to fit it. It doesn't fit all that great. But anyways, I will be doing a separate video on some of these products that I have. And yeah, I just wanted to let you know that I will be doing a separate video for those. I haven't forgotten. I would do it today, but I'm kind of running out of time. So I know it's kind of late, and I'm going to let you guys go. And thank you so much for supporting my small business and my YouTube channel. And stay tuned for more to come. Y'all all have a great, wonderful, blessed day. Bye.